Today's our important question is based on the chemistry subject और आज का जो हमारा मज़ेदार क्वेश्चन है वो बेस्ड है केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर एंड द क्वेश्चन इज राइट द केमिकल नेम ऑफ विटामिन सी सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड विद द केमिस्ट्री राइट द केमिकल नेम of vitamin C. So this is our today's important question. Write the chemical name of vitamin C. So what is the chemical name or write the chemical name of vitamin C? So here the answer is the chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. So this is the chemical name of vitamin C and the name is ascorbic acid. So here ascorbic acid is the chemical name of vitamin C. ये क्वेश्चन आपके 12th क्लास के बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में भी आया था और ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. So ascorbic acid is the chemical name of vitamin C. So next is what are the main sources of vitamin C? जो main sources हैं vitamin C के वो कौन कौन से हैं? Such as citrus fruits, जितने भी citrus fruits हैं, all these are the sources of the vitamin C as well as amla, guava and the tomato. All these are the sources of the vitamin C. Number one is the citrus fruits. जितने भी citrus fruits हैं, all these are the sources of the vitamin C, guava, tomato, as well as आपके जो आंवला है, all these are the sources of the vitamin C. So here, what are the various sources of the vitamin C? So next heading is sources. Number one is citrus fruits. Second one is amla. Third one is guava, and the last one is tomato. So all these are the sources of the vitamin C. So it is essential, vitamin C is essential for the formation of RBCs, red blood cells. So vitamin C, it is most important or it is essential for the formation of RBCs and antibodies. Next is essential for the formation of RBCs, that is red blood cells and antibodies. So vitamin C is essential for the formation of red blood cells as well as antibodies. It is good for the bones and the teeth. Good for bones and teeth. Good for bones and teeth. So vitamin C, it is good for the teeth as well as for the bones, and it acts as an antioxidant. The most important concept regarding the vitamin C is that it acts as an antioxidant. It acts as an antioxidant. It acts as an antioxidant. And the deficiency of vitamin C, it causes scurvy. So its deficiency causes scurvy. तो ये हम कह सकते हैं its deficiency causes the disease, that is स्कर्वी. सो हियर जो क्वेश्चन था हमारा वो ये था कि राइट द केमिकल नेम ऑफ विटामिन सी. द केमिकल नेम ऑफ विटामिन सी इज एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड एंड द मेन सोर्सेज ऑफ द विटामिन सी इज vitamin C are citrus fruits, amla, guava, as well as tomato. All these are the sources of the vitamin C. Next, it is essential for the formation of red blood cells as well as antibodies, and it is good for the bones as well as teeth, and it acts as an most important antioxidant. And its deficiency causes the disease. The name is scurvy. So here this is all about the vitamin C. Next हमारा important question जो रहेगा बेटा, that is related with the what is zwitterine. What is zwitterine? It is our next question. What is zwitterine? ये भी आपका most important question है और ये 12th के बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में ये क्वेश्चन भी आया था. व्हाट इज zwitterine? ज्यादातर इस क्वेश्चन को लाइटली लेते हैं, पर रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दिस क्वेश्चन इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्योंकि अभी जो मार्च 2025 में बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन हुआ केमिस्ट्री का, उसमें ये क्वेश्चन आपका आया था. व्हाट इज zwitterine? zwitterine होता क्या है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय zwitterine? सो हम यहाँ आंसर रिपीट करेंगे बेटे. व्हाट इज zwitterine? So a zwitterine, also known as zwitterine, also known as a zwitterine, also known as a zwitterine, also known as inner salt, inner salt. A zwitterine, also known as inner salt or dipolar ion, and और क्या कह सकते हैं इसको? और dipolar ion, dipolar ion. So a zwitterine, also known as, number one is inner salt and the second one is dipolar ion, is a molecule, is a molecule containing, is a molecule containing both positively, is a molecule containing both positively, both positively and negatively, and both positively and negatively charged functional group, both positively and negatively charged functional group. So यहाँ रिपीट करेंगे बेटे. What do you mean by the term zwitterine? A zwitterine, also known as inner salt or dipolar ion, is a molecule containing both positively and negatively charged functional group. So this is all about the zwitterine, or this is the definition of the zwitterine. Repeat करूंगी दोबारा से. A zwitterine, also known as inner salt as well as dipolar ion, is a molecule containing both positively and negatively charged functional group. ये both positively और negatively charged functional group को contain करता है, and this term is known as zwitterine. For example, so this is the formula of the amino acid. Here it contains the functional group, and it is also known as inner salt or dipolar ion, and it is a molecule that containing both positively and negatively charged functional group. ये पॉजिटिवली और नेगेटिवली चार्ज फंक्शनल ग्रुप को क्या करता है बेटे, कंटेन करता है. सो हियर this is negatively charged functional group and this is the alkyl group and so here it is positively charged functional group and this is negatively charged functional group. Here it is positively charged functional group and this is the Zwitter ion. This is the Zwitter ion. So Zwitter ion, in short terms, it is also known as inner salt or dipolar ion, and it is a molecule that contains both positively and negatively charged functional group, and this term is known as the Zwitter ion. So this is all about the question related with the chemistry subject. ये आज के दो मजेदार क्वेश्चन थे जो कि रिलेट करते थे आपके केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट के. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो था कि राइट द केमिकल नेम ऑफ विटामिन सी, व्हाट आर द वेरियस सोर्सेज ऑफ द विटामिन सी एंड हाउ विटामिन सी इज एसेंशियल फॉर अस एंड द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन सी कॉजेज द डिजीज एंड दैट डिजीज इज नोन एज स्कर्बी डिजीज. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज Zwitter ion. तो Zwitter ion जो था वो रिलेट करता है बोथ पॉजिटिवली और नेगेटिवली चार्ज फंक्शनल ग्रुप को, और ये क्या है, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डाइपोलर आयन और इनर सॉल्ट. सो रेस्ट हम और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट मजेदार क्वेश्चन जो होंगे वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेटेड विद द केमिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट.